Once you have added the schedule and set it to the desired settings, you can start adding classes. You'll find your schedule in the top left of the menu bar. The schedule has two views, specifically the client view and the staff view. Bear in mind that clients will not have access to the staff view. However, staff members will have access to both views. On the right, you can find your different schedules. These can also be filtered according to activity, coaches, and you can search for the members. To add an activity onto the schedule, simply click in the staff view. This will open up a pop-up window where you can create the new event. You can select which schedule it belongs to, the type of event, as well as who the instructor will be, the max participants of the event, date and start time, location if it is in a different area in the facility, as well as the recurrency. Bear in mind that the recurrency has different settings for each. You can take your time and play around with these on your own. Bookable in advance refers to how far in advance clients are able to book this activity. The cancel activity if no participants function refers to how far in advance the event can be canceled if there are no participants. The free cancellation period refers to how far in advance a client can cancel and not have a credit taken. Here you can assign a specific type of credit, and you can enable online booking if you would like your clients to be able to book through the portal. Once you have done all of this, you can simply click Add. You will now see your new activity in the view. Once selecting the activity, you can choose to book now. You can view the participants and the waiting list. There are a few other things you can do in here, such as edit the activity and delete it. That's pretty much all there is to creating the activities in your schedule. Thank you for watching.